So good day everyone. My name is Jamjeric Pedro and today we'll be presenting the closed circuit television or commonly known as the CCTV. So I'm with Mr. Dave Alexitinagan and later he will be presenting the next topic after my report. Okay, so let's start. The closed circuit television, also known as CCTV, is a surveillance video that is used for video cameras to transmit a signal to a specific place on a limited set of monitors. So Um, it is referred to use of cameras to transmit signals to specific locations on limited set of monitors. Unlike broadcast television, CCTV does not openly transmit signals. It may use point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, or mesh wired and wireless connections. So even though many videos cameras fit with this definition, the term CCTV is mostly used for security and surveillance, especially in areas that need continuous monitoring and added protection. Now, let's talk about the elements of CCTV system. So, a CCTV system is made up of several parts that work together to capture, transmit, and store video footage. The main component is the camera, which is the important part, which records the scene. Every camera uses a lens that controls how much of the camera is visible and how clearly the object appears. Inside the camera is an image sensor, usually CMOS or CCD, which converts light into electrical signals to create a video. So these signals are then transmitted through cable lines to a recording device such as DVR or NVR, where the footage is processed and stored. CCTV system also include monitors, which allows operators to view live or recorded video. Finally, and additionally, components like power supplies, switches, housing and mounting brackets ensure that the system operates smoothly, safely, and continuously. Okay, next is the type of lenses. Now, the types of lenses used in CCTV cameras, the lens plays a major role in determining the camera's field of view and image clarity. So, the simplest type is the fixed lens. This fixed lens has a permanent focal length and provides one specific viewing angle, perfect for areas where the coverage does not need to change. So, for example, was that in the hallway. So, since the hallway was just straight, hindi na kailangan mag-move ang camera. So, another important type of the CCTV lens is the varifocal lens. This lens allows manual adjustment of zooms and field of view during installations. This gives more flexibility in controlling how wide and narrow the camera sees. For more advanced system, motorized zoom lenses are used. These lenses can be adjusted remotely, allowing operators to zoom in room out for the control room, which is ideal for PTZ cameras. These are also wide-angle lenses for covering large areas and telephoto lenses for viewing long-distance targets like gates or license plates. Okay, for example, there is sa wide-angle lenses nga telephoto lenses is ang sa Sigma. Where you can see sa dalan sa Sigma is may CCTV cameras for in order for the to control the uh, katasikon sang car and then if since may limit so makapture ang license plates ang mga salakyans and motorcycles. Okay, next is the storage devices. So storage devices in CCTV systems our older analog systems are digital video recorders or DVRs which receive record video signals through coaxial cables and store footage on built-in hard drives. So, newer IP-based systems are used network video recorders or NVR or footage on built-in hard drives. New IP-based systems use NVR or new video recorders which store high resolution delivered over network cables. NVRs are more advanced and often support features like motion detection, AI analytics, and remote viewing. So some systems also use cloud storage, where storage is stored in online and accessed remotely. This is useful for backup and disaster recovery, but requires stable internet. For larger business or institutions, NAS NAS storage devices can be added to expand storage capacity. For small wireless or Wi-Fi cameras, footage may be stored locally on micro SD cards or making installation simpler and more portable. Next is the cable connectors. Cable connectors is an analog CCTV setup that the most commonly used cable in coaxial cable, specifically the RJ59. So this RJ59 cable carries the video signal from the camera to the DVR. It's paired with BNC connectors which securely attach the cable to both the camera and recording devices. Analog systems also require power cable unless a Siamese cable is used, which combines power and video into one line. Also, cable connectors are depending on the cables or Ethernet cables. So this may example siya like DVR or NVR. For modern IP digital systems, Ethernet cables like Cat5 or Cat6 are used. These cables are transmit both power data through power over Internet or Ethernet, which means only one cable is needed for camera. If IP camera used RJ45 connectors, just like computers and routers, in large or long distance applications, fiber optic cables may be used to reduce signal loss and increase data speed. Okay, next is the different types of CCTV cameras. So when it comes to securing your business, there are many different types of CCTV to choose from. Surveillance plays a huge part in today's society, and with cameras all around us, our day-to-day lives are experiencing higher level of security each day. So these are the types of CCTV cameras rather that are available today and which has a unique features each. Okay, so start. Number one is the dark fighter technology cameras. So I'm just gonna explain dark fighter. Okay, technology cameras. Okay, so this camera can pick up colored images in very low light conditions. Darkfighter technology can be used in the day, night, and offer optimal performance thanks to its wide range of capabilities. They are equipped with 1/2 inch CMOS progressive scan sensors, which allows the device to pick up high quality images and doesn't require an extra light sources, which make the perfect night security surveillance camera. So another benefits of Darkfighter technology camera is number one, smart features. Number two, can be used for multitude of purposes. And number three, high conditions. Okay, next is the ANPR or LPR cameras. So the LPR camera is used to read and store data on registration plates rather. They offer a simple and efficient solution to many organizations including tolling, hotel overstay, management, and obvious car parking. ANRP stands for Automatic Number Plate Recognition, and LPR camera stands for License Plate Camera. And these devices help to obtain copious information in a high traffic area to keep any premises secure. So, ang ANPR, they're commonly installed in highway. I'm sorry. They're commonly installed in highways, toll gates, and parking instances and subdivision as well. So other benefits of ANPR or LPR camera includes smart features. information storage, and can identify cars that have even banned from a premises. Allows a business to run smoothly. Or let's just say nga there is a thief nga nagagamit sa tong car, then he uses it again with the same plates. So dashig siya masascan because of this LPR and PR camera. Okay, next is the internal and external dome camera. Okay. So another popular type is the dome camera, which comes in internal and external versions. Internal dome cameras are used inside buildings and blend well with ceilings and walls, making them look neat and unobtrusive. Internal dome cameras, on the other hand, are built with waterproof and vandal resistance housing to withstand outdoor conditions. So their dome shape make it hard for people to tell where the lenses is pointed, which is adds a level of difference. And these cameras are ideal to lobbies, hallways, and convenience stores, parking lots, and building instances. So, iyan naman siniya nga benefits includes our ease of installation, number one, vandal resistant features, and IR night vision. Okay, next. The bullet camera. Guys, the bullet camera are a cylindrical shape and are ideal for outdoor use. These trends lie specifically in applications which requires a long distance viewing installed within protective casings. The cameras are shielded against dust, dirt, and natural elements. These cameras can easily be mounted with a mounting bracket and come fitted with either fixed or varifocal lenses, depending on the requirements of its intended applications. So, iya naman sini nga most models pagali are also waterproof and equipped with infrared technology, making them effective in nighttime surveillance. Okay, sa gawa naman may bullet camera kami. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, benefits na is again the infrared night visions, compact size aids installation, and lastly, high quality image resolution. Okay, next is the C-mounted camera. The C-mount camera. Coming with detachable lenses, C-mount cameras allows for simple lens changes to fit different applications. C-mount cameras can cover distances beyond 40 feet thanks to the possibility that use special lenses with these cameras, whereas standard CCTV lenses can only cover distance of 35 to 40 feet. Okay, so C-mounted cameras has flexibility makes them ideal for facilities where surveillance needs can change or where long-range monitoring is required. So, C-mount cameras can capture very distant objects and making them useful in hallways, roads, and large industrial areas. So, ang benefits na naman niya is the can support changes in technology, B, effective for indoor use, and lastly, box size making them noticeable. Okay, so next is a day and night camera. So day and night cameras are designed to work effectively both in bright daylight and low light nighttime conditions. They are adjusted automatically depending on the amount of light in the area. This makes them perfect for outdoor surveillances where light levels change throughout the day, and they are commonly used in building exteriors, parking lots, and public roads because they are provided reliable 24/7 monitoring without needing extra lighting. So, for this reason, these cameras are ideal for outdoors and which has an IR cameras that are unable for function automatically. So, benefit niya is record in both color and black and white. Wide variety of sizes available and infrared capability. Okay, next is the PTZ pan tilt and zoom camera. So, this camera naman allows the camera to move left or right panning up, down, or tilting, and even allow the lenses to be zoomed closer or farther. So these cameras are used in situations where a lifeguard or surveillance specialist is there operating the security system. So, example, ginagamit niya siya when, um, uh, let's say the president is speaking, then they need to close and, the camera. So, for security purposes. So, these PTZ cameras can move horizontally, like I said earlier. Then, these cameras are widely used in airports, malls, stadiums, and city surveillance centers because they can track moving objects and cover large areas that normally require multiple cameras. So, yan naman yung benefit is the 200-meter IR night vision, X36 optical zoom, and high-quality image resolution. So sadly, why ko ka, sang example, sang X36 optical zoom, we don't have a video yet. So, we're sorry. Okay, so next is the discrete CCTV. So these types of cameras allows for discrete placement, which means you can capture good footage of theft and criminal damages. Discrete CCTV cameras beneficial because criminals will be less likely to spot them and therefore they are less likely to be damaged in the process. So this discrete CCTV camera naman has its benefit. Number one can be out, up, propped up or mounted. Number two can be disguised in various objects and effective for indoor use. So discrete CCTV cameras are commonly used in retail stores, offices, and investigative operations where behavior should not be influenced by visible cameras. So, however, this use must follow privacy laws and ethical guidelines. Okay, next is the miniature cameras. Also known as the covered cameras, provide discrete surveillance capabilities in compact form factors. These specialized devices can be concealed with everyday objects for unobstructed monitoring applications. So the key benefits of miniature cameras, syempre, is ultra-compact design for concealed installation, covert monitoring capabilities without detection because of its term miniature, so meaning maliit. Then, flexible placement options in various outdoor environments, and wireless connectivity for remote monitoring access. Okay, next is the thermal image cameras or the infrared cameras. So, okay, so one of the best 24-hour surveillance cameras around providing airports, seaports, ports, and other critical infrastructures with quality images, no matter what time of day it is. Infrared cameras have small LEDs surrounds the lens to help pick up moving figures in pitch black. Thermal image cameras can see over long distances up to 300 meters away. So, these cameras are essential for perimeter security, border monitoring, and industrial safety and emergency search and rescue operations. So, they are specially used in environments where regular cameras cannot capture clear images. So, iyan naman benefits are detective intruders up to 250 to 300 meters away. Number two, good in low light. And number three, thermal radiation passes through visual barriers. Okay, varifocal cameras. So, these cameras has an ability to zoom in and out without forfeiting its focus. So, varifocal cameras allows you to adjust the focal length, the angle, and decreases the zoom. Ideal for obtaining footage in square room where you would normally experience a dead zone with many alternative fixed lens cameras. So this camera makes them very flexible because it is especially in locations where exact monitoring distance is unknown. So varifocal cameras can switch from wide angle monitoring to close up detail without changing rather the camera itself. So they are commonly used in commercial buildings, parking areas and entrances, and any place where precise camera and adjustment is needed. So its benefits are it can capture those dead zones that other cameras can't, and two, offer exceptional focus, and lastly, work well up close and long distance long distances. Okay, so that's for my part. So thank you for listening, and the next reporter will be Mr. Dave Alexitinaga. So, good day, sir, and everyone. I will continue the Pedro's report. So, I will start from network cameras. So, network cameras are share image across the internet, so CCTV footage can be easily accessed. Network cameras are ideal for both domestic and commercial purposes because you can see what's going on while away from the property. Other benefits of network cameras include data can be easily accessed, ideal for homes and companies, less cabling and less maintenance. So ang network cameras ginagamit na sa pwede mo na gamit sa mga balay or companies kay pwede mo makita ang gaguluwa sa imong CCTV sa imong cellphone lang or also. So next is type of a network cameras. So IP cameras or internet protocol represent the modern standard in digital surveillance, transmitting high quality videos signals over network connections to network video recorders. These advanced IPCC cameras deliver superior image quality compared to traditional analog cameras, which resolutions reaching up to 4K and beyond. So its benefits are crystal clear footage from with resolutions up to 4K detailed identifications, scalable architecture that grows with your business needs. Advanced features includes motion detection, facial recognition, and AI-powered alerts. Remote access via smartphones and web browser for real-time monitoring. Ideal uses is retail environments since capture mo ang customers interaction and prevent the shrinkage with facial recognition capabilities since manami ang high quality. So, pwede man sa gamiton sa corporate facilities to monitor sensitive areas with high resolution surveillance for compliance and securities. Public space provide comprehensive coverage in crowded areas with advanced analytics and multifunction businesses to centralize monitoring across properties with cloud-based management. So next is wireless cameras. So wireless cameras eliminate the need of complex cabling by transmitting the video over Wi-Fi or cellular networks. While this flexibility makes them ideal for locations where running coaxial cables is impractical for temporary surveillance needs. Its key benefits is quick installation with minimal disruption to business operation. Since katakod ka lang kay way ka nagagamit sa mga RJ45 or coaxial cables, flexible placements options without cable length restriction, remote monitoring capabilities through mobile apps and web interfaces. So, cost-effective for temporary or hardwire location. So, cost-effective siya since hindi ka na magamit sa mga wires or kag kay need mo lang sa ibutang mo sa pader or mga din nga lugar, mga poste, pader, mga para ako na lang. So, ideal uses is construction site to monitor project progress and security without permanent infrastructure. Temporary events provide security coverage for festivals, markets, or outdoor gatherings. Next is historic buildings. Install surveillance without damaging architectural integrity. Lastly is rental properties, portable security solutions that move with changing needs. So next is high definition cameras. High definition cameras such as a high resolution that they're mainly used in high risk establishments such as bank, casino. This is to capture good image of anyone who enters and exits to maintain high security and maximum safety. These cameras are great for spotting misconduct and allows the user to zoom in for extra clarity should the footages need to be used in court. Other benefits of high definition cameras includes clear, detailed pictures, offer maximum safety for high risk establishment,
can zoom without losing focus. So ginagamit din isang mga high definition camera sa mga bangko, since kung what if may mga takaw sa or may magsulod sa ilang mga volt na bela, makita mo gidang itsura sa nagsulod. So what type of CCTV camera should I buy? It is extremely important to ensure that you have chosen the right CCTV camera, because depending on where they are positioned, their primary use, you'll find the one that best accommodates your needs. Whether you're looking to install a CCTV camera outside a property to catch a criminal activity, or place one inside the home, monitor the home or a company goods, there's something for everyone. So, magpili isang imong CCTV camera, depende man na eh. May ara sa mo, depende mo kung gusto mo like sige na sa HD camera kung gusto mo makita ang ang tawag na kung makita ang mga tsura sa mga tao sululot, kung para sa mga casino or mga noda. Kung gusto mo man nga pwede mo masaylo-saylo or gamay lang yung gusto mo, pwede mo masaylo-saylo gamit kasi itong ang wireless nga CCTV cameras. So, key factors to consider. Image sensor technology. The camera sensor determines image quality and performance in various lighting conditions. CMOS sensors offers excellent low light performance and energy efficiency, while CCD sensors provide superior color accuracy, larger sensor capture more light, resulting in clear image in challenging conditions. Lens specifications. So the specific selection directly impact the coverage area, image detail. Fixed lens offer consistent viewing angles for predictable surveillance needs, while varifocal lenses provide adjustable focus for monitoring distances. Wide-angle lenses cover more area but less detail, while telephoto lenses provide detailed views of distant subjects. So, magpili ka determine man nagyapon sa imong gusto nga picture quality or area mo kung para magpili ka sa imong sa CCTV. So next is resolution requirements. Higher resolution cameras capture more details but require greater storage capacity and network bandwidth. 1080p cameras meet majority of business surveillance needs, while 4K offers exceptional detail for critical applications such as facial recognition or license plate capture. So, depende mo nagyapon sa imong kung like mga palagi na sa resolution sa camera mo, kung hindi mo kinahanglan sa medyo mataas gid, go for mga manubo-nubo na 1080p lang. Pero if need mo nga taas like mga bangko na gid or mga like bangko, 4K camera lang mga gamiton. So lastly, installation considerations. Wired systems offer reliable connections and consistent power but require cable installation. Wireless system offer flexibility but may counter interference issue in densely populated RF environments. Power over Ethernet simplifies installation by delivering power and data to a single cable. So, mas manami ang iyakakan ang CCTV nga naka PoE kaysa sa wireless, since ang naka-cable sa instead of wireless like Wi-Fi connections nga like may disturbance mga tao like kung damo-damo na ganyan ang palibot sa imo. Pag damo ka connect sa same Wi-Fi nga nagamit mo na. So, common applications of CCTV. Older CCTV systems use small, low-resolution, black and white monitors with no interactive capabilities. Modern CCTV systems can include color, high-resolution displays, with the ability to zoom in and interact something or someone among these features. CCTVs lets an overseer speak to people within the range of the camera associated speakers. CCTV technologies has evolved significantly, expanding its application across the following sectors. So, ginagamit ang CCTV sa subong sa mga public safety and crime preventions. Cities worldwide deploy CCTVs to monitor public spaces, deter criminal activities, In investigations, for instance, Bengaluru, India, has geotagged over 3,000, 500,000, 530,000 CCTV cameras to enhance urban safety. So, ginagamit mo na sa traffic management to control traffic flow, detect violations, and manage congestion. Like sa Sigma, like, pwede na naman nakita na sa mga kung mag-overspeeding na ng mga sasakyan. So, next is retail and commercial security. Business like uses CCTV to prevent theft, monitor employee behavior, and ensure customer safety. Next is healthcare facilities. Hospital employ CCTV to monitor patient areas, ensuring safety and compliance with protocols. Educational institutions. School use CCTV to enhance security, monitor students' behavior, and prevent vandalism. Lastly, industrial and hazardous environment. CCTV enables remote monitoring of dangerous areas, reducing the risk of human operators. So, mga technological advancement CCTV. So mga subong, may mga bago na nag-enhance na ato mga CCTV since nagdugang sila like subong nga may digital video recorders and network video recorders. So, this device enables efficient storage and retrieval of high quality video footage. So, may mga gamit na subong mga NAS, sabi kag mga tawag na cloud system para mag-store sa aton nga storage sa aton nga sa mga footage sa aton CCTV nga pwede mo malantaw sa cloud mo or website or pwede mga sa application. So next is internet protocol cameras. IP cameras offer high resolution and can transmit data over networks and facilitating remote access integration with other systems. Like before is may gagagamit pa sila sa mga cables like VGA, VGA, HDMI kag ang RCA. So subong wireless na kag ang wired nga LAN cable or RJ45 ang nagamit na subong sa mga CCTV cameras. So next is AI integration. AI powered CCTV systems can detect unusual activities, recognize faces, and trigger alerts, enhancing proactive security measures. So AI integration like mga panabi nagamit ng mga iris na magpakan sa mga security system, mga mga face recognition. So lastly is edge computing. Process data at the source. The camera through edge computing reduces latency and bandwidth usage, enabling real-time analytics and faster response times. What to look for when buying a CCTV system? Should my CCTV camera should be discrete or a visual deterrent? Box cameras present an obvious design for everyone who passes by. They are being recorded on a CCTV, and this can be a great deterrent for theft and crime. Whereas dome cameras are smaller and more discreet, these compact cameras are ideal for monitoring a larger area such as in front of your house or back garden and can follow movement with ease. How do I know what to use indoors and outdoors? When thinking where would you like to place your cameras, you might want to think about how will they be mounted or housed in order to ensure that they're in the best location and well protected. For example, if your camera is to be placed outside, you will want it to be more robust and weatherproof. If it placed indoor, okay na hindi sang with weatherproof like no, pero kinahanglan mo gyapon sa mga like pang sa grease or mga steam sa mga like kusina. What are the light condition like? Test different camera model to see what works best with the lighting in your area. Because no matter whether they're inside or outside, the lighting will differ throughout the day. You will check in reflection backlighting during the day and night. So, para sa light conditions, mga camera like like may mga camera nga maayo sa gabi kag ay may mga like mga vision, may mga night vision sila. So, is image clarity important? Depending on how expansive the area is, is image clarity important? Depending on how expansive the area is that you want to cover. The resolution of camera is, the CCTV you choose will need to reflect the landscape in order to provide a clear visual image. However, if situated in a smaller room, the camera need not to be high resolution. Is audio required? Audio isn't required. However, if you do wish to opt audio for their system, like you can speak a person who has broken into the property, audio can be used to deter criminals automatically playing or something like when they get to a certain point inside, an ideal way to make them think that there are people inside the building. So need kung audio talk lang naman na kung depende pa na sa imong mga usage like kung gusto mo like punta mo sa pertahan mo kung pwede mo lang tawda ko sinaga panuktok labi sa inyo or pwede sa mga takaw. Pero depende man sa kung need mo gid man ng audio or hindi. So that's all. Thank you for listening.